Charles Beaudry, and I'm the Vice President of Exploration of QC Copper and Gold, where we have our flagship project in Quebec, in northern Quebec, in the Abitibi. It's called the Opemiska project, and it's located in the historic Chibougamau-Chapais mining camp. Our main asset is in Canada, in Quebec, in the Abitibi Greenstone Belt, and it's in the historic Chibougamau-Chapais mining district. We control the Chapais part of that district, which produced over a 40-year period about a third of the copper production in the whole camp. The company acquired this project, optioned it in 2018, and since then we've conducted approximately 50,000 meters of drilling, and we published last fall a 43-101 mineral resource of 103 million tons at 0.85% copper equivalent. The project team is composed of myself and Denis McNichol, who's the project manager, and we have an experienced resource geologist named François Thibert, who's working on putting together the geology and the interpretation of the mineral resource. This thing's economic. It's the bottom line is that if anybody looks at our 43-101 resource that we published last fall and plugs the numbers into a financial spreadsheet, you will see that it's economic. So the question is not whether this thing is economic. The question is how big it's going to be. So we're about 35,000 meters into a 60,000 meter drilling program this year, and we will be updating the mineral resource at the end of the year, early next year, and immediately followed by a preliminary economic analysis in order to determine the financial parameters of the project. It's been very interesting, dominated by institutional investors, obviously. That's also by choice. We don't require funding at this time, but we are looking at positioning this project on the radar of the institutional investors, and we want them to follow what we're doing, because next year we'll be changing gears essentially, and we're going to, after we come out with the 43-101 and the preliminary economic analysis, we're going to pivot to development of the project, at which time we're going to need significantly more capital.